Well, the stock market exploded off the holiday weekend yesterday, just like I suspected it would. The Dow was up 641.5 points. The NASDAQ was up 271 points, and the S&P 500 was up 90 points at the close yesterday. The Frosty Investment Club Portfolio was up $1,188 yesterday, but it's still down 4% since I started blogging. Looks like another down day today. Bad news in the market. Housing sales were down again, and who knows what's going on in the oil market. Today I'm going to review last night's run of the Frosty Trend Predictor Algorithm. From now on, I'm just going to call that the Frosty Program, okay? And but until the TV talking heads, you know who I mean, the analysts on Bloomberg and CNBC and Fox Business News, until they get some good news and decide whether interest rates are going up or down, or whether the market, the economy is crashing or coming in for a soft landing, I'm going to stay conservative, and I'm going to stay in ETFs over individual stocks for now. I'm going to just try and preserve capital and still earn some money. Okay, looking at the results sheet from last night, which is posted down below, there were no new trends indicated yesterday, up or down, no news. 7 of last week's down signals flipped to up signals. Now, what's that tell me? That tells me that, that confirms my talking head statement, okay? Nobody knows what's going on just yet. Of the up flips, I held on to industrials, the XLIs, utilities, the XLUs, healthcare, the XLVs, and metals and mining, the XMEs last week. Oh, and real estate too, XLREs. I held on to them last week, even though they had given a down signal, and I'm sure glad I did, because now they're back on the ups. I'm glad I gave them a second chance. The other one that's really interesting is the XLB materials, because if you see down there on the Met target sheet, XLB's met a down target and also flipped to the upside on the flipped upside. So that's very interesting. That requires some real research. We may be taking a position in materials this week. Gold was the other up. I have enough exposure to gold in XMEs for now, so we'll just hold off on that one. The only ETF with an unmet target is the high dividend fund. We're holding on to it for right now. And in the already mets down there, well, that tells us, we're looking for news either way, up or down on those before we do anything. I'm not going to run through that whole list. It's pretty big. You can take a look at them. I did get some uptrends in the when I ran the individual stock portfolio program. Now, I'm still staying in ETFs, but I'll use these ups and down signals to evaluate which sectors are really hot and which are not. If you want a copy of the stock portfolio results sheet, send me your email and I'll zip it right out to you. Okay? Hey, that's in a nutshell. Please remember, this is not investment advice. This is what I'm doing in the market. It's for our entertainment and education only. And with that, there's no bad days left in my life. There's good days and great days. Go out there and make it a great day. Frosty, out.